Hello guys, what's up? My name is Joetta Day, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Today we're going to go over a few things. Talking about a couple weeks ago, my brother's room was getting reconstructed around, like, painted and the flooring done, which is already done. The only thing that's left to do is the trim work and the ceiling fan. And he got the new windows in. So he ended up moving in on the 7th of Friday. And I'm sorry it's been taking like 2 weeks because I've been busy with working and focusing on other stuff. So today, well, for this month, I got the Walmart Beauty Box, which I've had for a week and a half. This one is I want to say it's the spring one, and then I have the summer one coming in about like 3 months from now. So in about around September, and then it's kind of a mix, but it's like 3 months apart, I think, or 3 or 4. So in this Walmart Beauty Box, we get a beauty bag that has the Walmart logos all over it. It has a pink zipper with the lining just like, it feels like burlap. So I've already checked through this box, and some of them are not rescues, but like repeats from last time. So I already have the painting rescue shots, which is for like dead ends, and this is like for when you clean your hair. You do this after you come out of the shower and you massage it, and then you rinse like thoroughly. That way you can protect your ends and prevent from split ends. And then with the Hello fluoride-free whitening toothpaste, activated charcoal and fresh mint and coconut oil. This stuff actually does help. I do have one that actually does work, and it's pretty much the same thing, so I'm glad that they sent another one, because that one I've been using not quite as often, but every one here and there, because you don't want to use it like every day. Because I switch, if I'm doing like a charcoal detox toothpaste or powder, you want to do it at least like a few days apart. That way you're getting your regular toothpaste and brushing your teeth regularly. And then we got some Tresemme between washes, volumizing, no visible residue, dry shampoo. I'll probably end up using that, but it's very seldom that I use hardly any Tresemme products. And this is a done-in-one brow pomade. I probably won't use this since it's in the shade of dark brown. This is pretty much for your brows, and you just like shade them in and color them to just like how you would normally do your eyebrows when you're doing your makeup, or without any other makeup. And then we have a purely inspired collagen peptides, grass-fed and pasture-raised vitality blend with biotin as unflavored dietary supplement. And for those who are doing the keto diet, it is keto certified and certified paleo. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it is gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, a non-GMO, which is pretty good. And it gives you directions on how to use it. So I might not use that. Might give that to my mom because she likes using that kind of stuff. And then we have a purifying black charcoal mask with hydration and moisture. It's premium charcoal mask sheet. So this pretty much purifies and rejuvenates. Hello, if you guys are seeing this towards the end of the video, sorry, somebody was trying to call me. But if you're seeing at the end of the video, just know that the Walmart beauty box is $10, or not $10, $5, and you're just pretty much paying the shipping for a seasonal thing. So yeah, that's it. Give a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.